Hello everyone, it's Dino, and as you know, the same old thing where I don't know what to do. So you know Gacha Online, right? Where just custom OCRP. There's nothing really wrong about this. It's God. Even though the owner mentioned it's a fan game, I really don't mind it because I'm actually enjoying it as my own. But it's kind of weird that there's like a lot. It's like detailed. Well, not really, but like detailed, whatever you call it. And there's actually more than this. So I'm gonna be testing out Gacha Life. Now I'm gonna say this. Please do not harass to anyone that's mentioned. They're just trying to get whatever they do. They're just trying to get out like some fun because people nowadays don't even know what to do. So I played this one before. I've never seen this one though. Alright. To give them like some tests. Whatever. Jesus. Okay, okay. Oh wait, I think I remember when we rated this game. Rules: no online dating, which is pretty much true. Please do not online date. No asking for admin, no bullying, no stealing characters. Oh man. I don't think anyone's gonna listen to that rule. No RP smoking. Again, no one's gonna follow that. And also, no one's gonna follow no trollers. Because there's literally no one gonna follow anything. If you steal any characters and add them to your gacha life, well, you might want to get it off your gacha before someone's get mad. And if you say gacha is bad, please leave. I mean, there's only like a small part of gacha, so I guess I can't do that. No spamming. I'm pretty sure this was added like after, oh god. After the raid, I forgot what it was called, the doggy, I forgot the name. But actually she just edited it for some reason. Also, how is anyone gonna make their own character? Because everyone's just gonna be the same. They could just be the same. Alright, credits to Looney and Gacha Live to make this game possible. Okay, the same thing. Oh my god, I have to bang my cat to get through this stupid door. Yo, what? Dead baby, dead baby, dead baby. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, okay, I'm sorry that the map is a bit small now because we are planning to make a big map soon, alright? Hopefully she makes us like to have something to create us with. At least she tried. Bacon. Nice. I never play nice. Epic. Yeah. 10. Claps. Good job. He did a good job. God, I do not like the chat right now. Thank you very much. Yes. Oh, dang you. Wait, you have to go this way? Hold up. That's sad. Could just go up there, but hospital. Oh god, I don't have a feeling that's gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna leave here. Gonna go through this. Let's see this one. Gotcha world, roleplay. Oh god, ow. Jesus Christ. Got that in my volume like this. Oh god, I don't not want that. Close. Blah blah blah. I don't really care about this because I already know this whole situation of pain. Okay, I don't know if this is good or whatever, but whatever. Lady! You're slow, but... There's legit no characters. Reggie. Here, there we go. Perfect name. Okay, let's go before recording starts. I'm stupid. I have no clue. What is this? Okay. Tester. Gotcha idea. Builder scripts and gotcha tester. Okay, there's two gotcha testers. Gee, it's been proven that today, whoever. Bathroom. Nice. I do not like the toilet. Where is... Okay, whatever. Gotcha's house. Probably won't be able to do it. Oh god, whoops. Is this just gonna be the same house? Yeah, it's just gonna be the same house. God, okay. Let's look at the other places. Warning, if you touch this... Oh. Never mind. It's just Gotcha's house. Nothing really interesting. Jeez. Gotcha. Yay. Oh, God, gotcha. Let's try this one. Although I probably will make a part 2 of this stupid crap. Oh, never mind. Good. Nothing really interesting. Why is that a thing? I don't know, whatever. Gotcha life high. Yay. Let's go to that. I wanna go see Gotcha life high. Just the way it looks. Oh my god, what? Okay, time to make myself look even uglier than ever. You can't use shift in this game. Oh, no. No thanks. Can't use shift. Oh my god, okay, hat remover. Which one looks like my hair? This one. Even though it looks nothing like my hair. Who donated it to this place? Yo. What did I? Bruh. Oh god, okay. There's really nothing interesting. Again, nothing really much to do in here. There's a lot of things to explore, but once you explore enough, you don't really care about it. And also, can't design. All you can design is like sands. Yes, sands. Okay, maybe that's one thing I like about it. Sands. That's hilarious. Click to change your name. Shift to run. That old, the old user. Fool. Alright. I like it. So, that's the end of it. Might make a part 2. I don't know which. Oh god. I don't know what to do with it, so. What is that creature?